Today was the day his 110 came in stock. Finally, we've been waiting for it. We would have got it sooner, but the dealers only had the 2018 with the carburetor, and you didn't want a 2018, did you? No, we wanted the fuel injection. We wanted the new one. So we got this new one today. So go ahead and check out this video with us. We're gonna go to the dealership, watch his reactions to getting his first bike, and check him out learning how to ride this. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us today. Just got the kids out of school. Liam, what are we doing?
Going to get my motorcycle.
What kind of motorcycle?
A 110.
This is your second, third, or
What first?
first dirt bike ever. Let's go get your bike.
Yeah, I'm going to get my bike.
We're gonna have a 50 and a 110.
These are roads.
Liam, I think I see it.
Right there.
Go get it, go.
Where? Oh yeah, I can see it.
Sit
It's
on
so
it.
big. Sit on it.
Sit on it, Liam.
Commander is right out front. I pulled it up front for you, that black one.
It's lower than the 2000.
I told you that one was lower.
Brochures, I think I might have one stashed. Okay, thanks. So one stash, yeah.
It's over here.
You look good on that, Liam.
I like it.
Kind of lean back and forth. Do you feel good with it?
I feel good where you're supposed to be, like at the end.
Man,
How much does it weigh? 170?
170.
you're the luckiest boy I know.
There's fuel lines.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to the same motor, just got rid of the carb, put fuel injection. New chassis design.
It has big tires, Daddy.
It's got more suspension travel.
Daddy, look how thick the tires are.
That's pretty cool.
On this because it has one of those.
Yeah, that is the YZ65. That would be great for you if we ever got you into racing. But
But the races are too dangerous.
spendy.
How much do you think this is? A lot of money.
So you have a 50 at home, and we'll be riding it later. But now that you've seen your brother get a 110, you feel like your 50 is too small now. Yeah.
Is this video?
Someday it is.
Is this video?
Yeah.
Get the camera off.
Hey Liam. There's something behind that window I just rolled down.
My motorcycle!
That's right. Let's get it home. All loaded in. Tonneau cover got in the way, so we just blocked her back some. Oh, we got the tailgate closed. Let's get it home. Okay, there it is. Got her home. He's in the back getting his helmet on, getting ready. I took some pictures. It's never gonna be that shiny again. I just love that new theme they did for the new bikes. Going back to the red fender, the sticker pattern. I think what they call these the green tag bikes because they are fuel injected now and they meet all the emissions. I'm most excited for the fuel injection just because we don't have to worry about cold starts, no more choke. You know, in theory, this should always be running good. Such a cool little feature to have. Yeah, very cool little bike. Turn the key on. If your kill switch is up, the fuel pump's not on. There, you just heard the fuel pump turn on, light went off. You know, just like that. One thing that's kind of cool down here, that's hard to see. It's got a low fuel light warning. Good. Oh, you're a happy kid. I'll be following you here in just a bit, okay? Because I know Jax wants a ride. Okay, so this is going to be just like the other ones. Neutral's all the way down where you're at. First gear's up. You're ready. All right, that's okay. It's okay to be scared. Just remember, go easy on the gas. If you get scared, pull over and pull the brake, either the front brake or your rear brake. There you go. Don't be scared of it. Just ride like you know how. There you go. Here comes Tyler on his 50. There you go. Grandpa Jackson Reed on the TRX 90. You like it?
Yeah.
There you go. Good job using the brake. Did you do second or stand first?
First.
Yeah? All right. Go get it dirty.
No.
Okay, I wasn't thinking and I forgot the helmet mount for the GoPro, so I've got it on a stick. I'm gonna see how well I can chase on this, but I'm not on an automatic. I'm on a CRF80. So this is a 2006. I gotta work a clutch and the throttle here, so let's see how good I can do. All right, we're trailing Liam. You can go a lot faster, bud. Oh, Liam.
First gear.
You're not even revving it. Rev it some more. It wants to be revved. There you go. Jackson's falling asleep. Dad, he's passing out. He's asleep. Oh, you woke up. We lost a passenger. Hey, Jax. Are you riding with Papa? You wanna go? Let's go take you in for a minute, okay? Okay, we're gonna follow Tyler on the 50. There we go. Look where you're going. Okay, I wanted to give a quick perspective of this bike from an adult's point of view. I'm sitting on this thing, I'm currently about 240 pounds. And the thing I find most impressive about this is I'm in third gear right now, barely putting, partly for wind. But if I crack this, there's no bog, there's nothing. There is no way with a carburetor that you're gonna crack it like that and not get a bog. Let me do that again here. So again, third gear. I'm barely going, oh, the clutch pulled. Let me get the clutch gone. So I'm just trying to go fast enough so that the clutch is fully open. There's just nothing I can do on here to make it bog. I mean, maybe you'd find one. But that is probably what I found the most impressive, besides having to worry about choke and all those other things, is that this throttle is always keeping it crisp and it's clean. Now, previously, I've never been on a 110 myself, so I can't really speak to the frame and chassis design changes they made. Feels really good. I like the way it drives. So I can't speak to that. But again, the other bike I've been riding is a CRF80, which I love. It's a little sweetheart, but every now and then, especially if I'm chugging it, that it'll bog out a little bit. This thing just never does that. It's not happening. So on that perspective, I'm just very much impressed. We did have to play with the throttle a little bit. I would maybe take a little more play out of from the box, out of the dealer. The nut was just all the way in and it had way too much play. Well, that's really easy to just slide this back and adjust it from there. No issues. So yeah, this thing's a little sweetheart. I should probably get my helmet on and put a GoPro mount on it and really see what this can do besides just riding with one hand. But now that he's gotten to ride it for 2 days approximately, there's no regrets on this. This bike is awesome, and when he outgrows it, I think we're gonna put some stiffer springs on it, taller handlebars, and turn it into a little pit bike. So this might be a bike that we stick around with for a long time. But from an adult / dad's point of view, this thing's awesome. Absolutely love it. This thing is just a ton of fun. Anyway, if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching the video with us. This has been a pretty special day for him. He's never going to forget it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the like button. We'll definitely be back with some more videos this summer, and I'll get this thing broken and we'll see what we can get for a top end speed. Till then, have a good one.